Phra Phikanet, your elephant-headed anchor of resilience. In the noise of modern life, where every challenge feels like an insurmountable barrier, Phra Phikanet, the Thai manifestation of Ganesha, stands as a universal symbol of spiritual protection, mindful resilience, and renewed beginnings. When projects overwhelm and deadlines loom, obstacles grow. A hand reaches into a pocket, revealing a Phra Phikanet Amulet. Meet Phra Phikanet, the elephant-headed patron of new beginnings, revered in Thailand as both remover of hurdles and bestower of insight. Cinematic slow pan, intricate details of the amulet, elephant trunk, pot belly, broken tusk. His elephant head embodies wisdom, the broken tusk, the creative spark to turn setbacks into solutions. Medium shot, young professional pausing in a meeting room, thumb brushing the amulet. In moments of doubt, a tactile reminder: focus, adapt, overcome. Split screen, on the left, chaotic inbox, on the right, the amulet glowing softly against a dark background. Like noise canceling for the spirit, this timeless icon anchors your intention amidst life's clamor. Wide shot, minimalist desk with amulet beside a meditation cushion. Place Phra Phikanet in your space, transform ritual into resilience. Macro, beads of determination sweat on a brow during a tense video call. Amulet clasped tight. Science shows mindful anchors steady the mind. Phra Phikanet is your mindful tool for clarity under pressure. Wide, sunrise over city skyline, a single lotus flower and the amulet resting together. From the ancient temples of Thailand to your everyday journey, Phra Phikanet guides you to clear obstacles, embrace creativity, and stand strong.